Okay, I picked up this little mini skid. I don't know how to say the name of it, but it's a Arteer QB 480. This is our first look at it. Just picked it up from the auction yesterday. Let's go through some things. I already started doing a little bit to it. I had to tighten up all the grease zerks. They were all loose, but they're regular grease zerks everywhere. Easy to get to. The bucket seems fairly well built for this size machine. My other mini skid has a bucket that's quite a bit smaller than this one. It looks like the levers are good. Let's see here. The one thing that I did not like about it is when I was loading it, these wiggle and make noise. Battery cutoff switch. Here's what it says here. It says it'll lift 826 pounds. Got a V-twin, 24 horsepower. It's the Rado 740. And I read somewhere where this one had 6 GPM for the pump. So that should be enough to run most of the, like I have a little rototiller for it and should do good. The tracks look good. We'll have to see how that plays out. It's got a fuel tank. I put 3.5 gallons in it. Or sorry, 3 gallons in it. And it says on the gauge like 75%. So there must not be a vent on the front side that is high enough for that to be able to fill all the way up, because it gets to about right here and then it doesn't let you put any more fuel. But 3 gallons in this thing should last you almost a whole day. So it looks pretty good inside here. There's my fuel filter. We'll come around here. There's a few things over there. It's got the step, and it's got a shock to help keep it down. And then we have this. It's got a cooler. Pretty simple. Pretty simple machine. The fan blows inward. I don't know if I like that, but we'll keep it that way for a little bit and see how it goes. There's the battery, hydraulic tank. It's got a fairly large hydraulic tank. It's got a sight glass. I don't think you guys can see in there. Let's lighten it up a little bit. I'm gonna get ready to change the oil on it. It's got a horn. All the control valves are up there. Gauges. Let's close this up. Then we'll grab the key and get it started. And this thing has 3 different keys. It's got one for the hood, one for the gas cap, and one for the engine. Oh, this is the standard accessory ports for hydraulics. So that's nice. The battery switch, it has tie downs on it, as you can see from my video here. It's got built-in tie down points right away. I'm gonna shoot them an email just to see if I get a message back, and I'll let you know. Put the key in, turn on. So fuel says 85% now. We have 1 hour. Run time. So go ahead and give it a start. Oop. Don't know what these lights mean. It did come with a manual. I'll go grab that so we can take a look. I don't think the oil temp is reading correctly, but it might just need something. Let me go grab the toolbox and then we can go through it. Okay, it actually came with a manual. It's got all kinds of information on it, which is a first for me. It was a little wet. There was a little water in the box. We got a bunch of rain the week before. So then I also have the engine manual. It came with an air filter, a fuel filter, a grease gun, spark plug wrench, and a bolt, some hose clamps, Allen wrench, a 22 and 24 open end wrench, combination wrench, a 14 and a 12, 13 and a 15, and the sockets are a 13, 10, 12, and 15. It's got a screwdriver, and then it's got the nipple fitting for the push-on type, not the American standard, and then this. It's nice to have that, even if it's not a ratchet. Well, that's everything that I have to say about this today. It seems to be a nice little running machine. I have another Chinese mini skid with a 15 horse Rado, and it does well. This one seems to have quite a bit more power just from my initial, and it seems to be quite a bit faster than my other machine. So let's do one more thing before we get too far. let's see what pump it has in it. Okay, let's see if we can get you in there. That is the pump. But starter is easy to get to. The oil filter is easy to get to. The only thing that is probably not going to be that easy to get to is the drain plugs. Those are going to make a mess. I'm going to put a drain extension on there to make that a little easier. And then it does have oil in it. I checked it. And it seems okay. So we're still going to change it out. But everything seems to be working good. I don't know where this vent line, or if this tank is even vented, or if it's vented through the cap only, which that's what it looks like. So we'll look around at that and see how it goes. All right, thanks for watching.